Kaya po si Tito Sed po ay natanggal po. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Lalabas si Bato. Sabi ko sa inyo, lalabas po si Bato eh. Ayaw nyo maniwala sa akin eh. Ano? Lalabas si Bato. Sabi ko sa inyo, lalabas yung ayop na yan, no? Kita nyo, tanggal po si Tito Sen. Ang ina talaga mga to. Ito, ano lang natin ngayon, ha?
But I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rule, Mr. President. Thank you.
What does the majority leader say?
Mr. President, I move to suspend for 1 minute.
Session suspended.
Tang ina mga senado to, gago.
To Senator Joel, who will make a motion, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
Tang ina minanipula, all seat vacant to, gago kayo.
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of
Tingnan yan, magugulo na naman, no? Magugulo na naman po lahat tayo nito. Putang ina talaga. Magugulo na naman po yung mga committee hearing, paano na naman to? Magugulo na naman to, paano na naman to? Puro ka hayupan talaga eh.
So a roll call vote is in order. The secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized before. Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
Yes, Mr.
anyone.
President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant by
Which positions? Just for the record, Mr. President. All positions of elected of the leadership. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
All right, the secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian,
Ang ina talaga, oh. Gago ka tong mga senador na to. Gago tong mga senador na to. Tarantado to. Sabi ko sa inyo. Mga kayupan nito. Ayop talaga. O, si Bato, tignan nyo. Ito, oh, nagwawala. Ayan, oh. Panoorin nyo si Bato. Arestuhin nyo yan. Arestuhin nyo yan. Ano yan? Upal, kala mo biktima pa ang tarantado? Kala mo biktima pa yung tarantado ang puta? Kala mo biktima ang puta? Aray ko. Ito, dito tayo sa Senado. Wala pa eh. Kala mo biktima pa si Bato ang puta? Sino ka ba, gago? Aray ko. Wala na to mga kababayan. Ginagago po tayo ng Senado. Bakit magkapalit ka ng Senate President? Ano ba meron? Ano ba nagawa ni Tito Soto? Ano pong nagawa ni Tito Soto? Tandaan niyo po, ano pong nagawa ni Tito Soto? Wala pong nagawa si Tito Soto kundi, Sa benepisyo natin lahat. Oh, ngayon ba't papalitan nyo para kay Sara Duterte? Ganyan po ba politika sa atin? Ha? Ganyan po ba politika sa atin? Putik, hindi na po tama yan. Hindi na po tama yung nangyayari ngayon. Po ang bumoto. Grabe, pusang inang mga bilyar to. Ayan po ang bumoto. Ayan po ha. Ayan, bumoto si ano.
So everyone can see we're 14, baby.
Ayan, Bilyar, bumoto. Walang iya talaga. Oh. Amil Bilyar, Loren Regarda. Ay, putik. Pia Cayetano, sabi ko na nga ba eh.
May nangyari dito pati kay Bato.
Ang ina mo, gago ka Cayetano. Pag may nangyari daw, pati kay Bato, 13 daw, pinersa ang putang ina mo Cayetano. Gago ka. Ayop ka, nananakot ka pa. Ayun, no? Ayun kayo si Cayetano, nananakot po.
So everyone can see we're 14, baby. 14. 13.
O, 13-11 na po. O, 13-11. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo, hindi bumoto si Gatchalian, si ano, bumoto si Cayetano, si Pia, si Loren Legarda, 2 Mark Villar. O, 13.
May nangyari dito pati kay Bato.
May nangyari daw, pati ka ba to? Eh, putang ina mo, Cayetano. Aray ko. Sino ka? Bakit? Ano ka? Hawak mo buhay ng tao dito? Gago ka pala eh. Aray ko. Nagbabanta siya. Bakit ano ba si Bato? May kasalanan yan. Ang dahil pinatay niya na. Magiging Senate President ka, kumukonsinti ka agad. Tarantado ka pala eh. Aray ko. Ano gusto mo? Ang gusto ni Cayetano, pag may nangyari dito, pati kay Bato, mananagot kayo sa amin. Ano gusto mo? Aray ko. Aray ko. Iniintindi mo si Bato, hindi yung mga nabiktima, ulul ka. Aray ko. Kita nyo, oh. Kita nyo po. Grabe si Loren Legarda, oh. Talagang pinush niya, oh. Grabe. Grabe to. Matindi po to. Ayan, oh. Grabe, oh. Mga balita muna tayo, ha. Ayan, oh. Sigurado po, ayan, oh. Tignan mo sinungaling si Robin, no? Senate majority is still solid. No minority plot versus Soto to stop Sara trial. Kita mo, sinungaling eh. Tignan mo. Sinungaling po, huwag kayo magtitiwala dyan. Kita mo, harap-harapan kasi sinungalingan, no? Oh. Oh. Kita mo, pinarano nila. Oh. Utang ina nyo. Oh, di tayo.
Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri.
I would like to be an independent member of the Senate.
What is your vote, Senator Subiri? Abstention.
Senator Soto III.
Ay, mga magnanakaw. Puta, tuwan-tuwa. May sounds ba?
May we get the results, please?
Putang ina, ano yan? Tang ina, men, ano to? Anong ginagawa, men? Tignan nyo, nakaupo magnanakaw. Ganyan ba gusto natin, senador?
With 13 votes for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and 9 votes for Senator Tito Soto and 2 abstention, Senator Cayetano is hereby elected as the new Senate President.
Kita mo, patay tayo nito. Wala na.
Session suspended.
Wala na to, walang mangyayari dito, puta.
Nomination of
Eh, pa magnanakaw? Uupo na naman yung magnanakaw. Ano yan?
Senate President, Mr. President, and we'd like to give the floor to Senator Ping Lacson. So move, Mr. President.
We first have to motion to approve. Senator Lacson Soto the third to the position of Senate President.
I so move, Mr. President.
So any objection? There being none, the okay, we now proceed with the voting.
There are two nominations.
Isipin nyo ito po yung malaking tanong. Ano po ba meron? Bakit ka magkukudita? Magkukudita ka lang pag hindi satisfied po yung leadership. Hindi ka dapat yung leadership. Ano pong ginawa ni Tito Soto para pabagsakin? Oh. Anong ginawa ni Tito Soto para pabagsakin? Wala. Para lang kay Sara to.
So, what we will do now
Candidates
is
for
conduct the
Senate
voting, Mr.
presidency.
President.
One is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and the other is Senator Tito Soto. Okay.
Pwede na, mag-vote.
Pursuant to Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate, we will now proceed with the roll call vote. Secretary, please.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia.
Senator Soto.
Senator De La Rosa. Senator Escudero. Senator Escudero. Senator Estrada. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Legarda.
Puta,
Senator Marcoleta.
Pusa Cayetano, Legarda. Anoy! Ano yun?
Senator
Ha? Oh,
Senator
Cayetano, Legarda, oh.
Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan. Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi. Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri.
Abstain si ano.
I would like to be an independent member of the Senate.
What is your vote, Senator Subiri? Abstention.
Abstain.
Senator Soto III.
Cayetano.
May we get the results, please?
Grabe si Legarda, oh. 2 bilyar. Grabe. Putik, ang tindi ng mga mukha nito, men. Sobrang tindi ng mga mukha nitong mga to. Ang tindi nyo, men. Ang lupit ng
President.
Do
Oh.
hereby solemnly swear
Sa patong Camille Villar na to, oh. Wala nang ginawa. Pagbalik, nangungupal pa. Oh,
best of my ability
ano?
To the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will uphold and support, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Puta. Patay tayo nito. Wala na mangyayari sa Senado nito. Putik talaga. Patay tayo nito. Grabe, pagkatapos kay Cheese, oh. Putang ina nyo. Arestuin na yan si Bato. Pusang ina mo. Aray ko.
For I know the plans I have for you,
Putang ina
plans
mo.
to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Yan po ang nasa Jeremiah
Huwag mo tama
29:11
yung Bible,
na
tanga.
naging isa sa core ng
Ulupal.
paniniwala ng ating pagkatao at pananampalataya. Gusto ko po si Propetang Jeremiah dahil siya po ay nirerespeto at pinaniniwalaan ng Muslim, Hudyo at
Upal ka.
Kristiyano.
10,000 nga, putang ina
sa
mo.
mundo
Wala
ngayon
ka eh.
na in crisis, buong mundo na in crisis because of the US-Iran-Israel war. Napakahirap minsan paniwalaan na may magandang plano. But I'm always reminded that though people may be liars, God never lies. Though we may be weak, He is strong. But we are reminded that if He has a plan, we have to do the right thing. So let me be explicit. Our job together, my job, is to serve you, dear senators, to serve this nation, to serve God above all, and to do
Wala lang
what
nangyari
is
nito.
right. Napakahirap kung tutusin po ang dinadaanan ng henerasyon na to.
Nako.
Kagabi po, kausap ko po ang pamangkin ni Senator Jinggoy, anak po ni Jackie, si Manu. Nakita po niya ako ng 2006 or 2007 or 2008 nung binisita ko ang kanyang lolo. At sabi ko sa kanya,
Wala, abstain si Subiri. Hindi bumoto si Subiri.
during Duterte's time, depending on your lens, it was a human rights crisis. If you're pro-Duterte, it's a crisis of drugs, where illegal drugs
Ano mo kupal, oh. Ano yan? Senate President ka, Duterte, tatalakayin mo. Tanga! Tignan mo, oh. Wala po talaga kwenta.
wrecked our government. Of course, if you are from the anti-Duterte lens, the human rights crisis was in the extrajudicial killings. But after enjoying almost 9 years of unprecedented economic prosperity during the Aquino time to the Duterte time, inabot po tayo ng pandemic. So from the human rights crisis to a health pandemic crisis. Naglilift pa lang ang COVID, nangyari na po ang Ukraine-Russia conflict. Sa mundo na mga kabataan na to ay naniniwalang hindi na posible ang World War III, ay suddenly may major conflict in the West. And then you fast forward. The crisis of the Philippines when it comes to corruption and flood control. The biggest corruption scandal in our country. Hindi pa ho tapos yan, nangyari yung Iran, US,
Wala kang kwenta, leche. Putang ina mo.
CCTV footage of Senator Bato's arrival today.
Aray ko. 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 Takbo! Takbo ba to?
Center for Transnational Crimes. And I check that it is now it used to be under the office of the president and under the control and supervision of the NAPOLCOM. But I think it's now under the control of the DILG. So my question is, how come that the NBI is chasing Senator Bato for an apparent warrant of arrest, which the former Senator Trillanes has been showing around that he got a warrant of arrest and he is personally serving it to the senator? The first question is former Senator Trillanes now the sheriff of the ICC? And he has been working with the Interpol, Mr. President. This is all questionable. As I said earlier, Mr. President, this is not only an assault to our colleague, but principally it is an assault, an insult to this institution. Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ito, Mr. President. We need to protect the senator. As I said earlier, and I manifested that Trillanes himself was a beneficiary of this institution's security. Humingi po siya ng Senate Protective Custody noong panahon na kinailangan niya po ito. Ngayon, ironically, he's the one executing the very act which prevented him from being assaulted at the time. Masyado pong nakakabahala na ang nangyayari, Mr. President. I think we can identify all these people in due time. They did not only violate Article 145 of the revised penal code, as I earlier manifested. Former Senator Trillanes is even guilty of usurping authority, Mr. President. Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin po ito. In the meantime, I'd like to move, Mr. President, that in the light of the recent adoption of the Senate Resolution number 44, I move that Senator Bato be placed under the Senate Protective Custody Mr. President, until he is able to get all and exhaust all legal remedies to protect himself. And until this institution is also able to do just the same. Mr. President, Article 59 of Rome Statute is very, very clear. It's very, very clear. Even for the sake of an argument that there is a valid warrant of arrest against our colleague, Article 59 still states that the person to be arrested must be promptly delivered to a competent judicial authority in order to accomplish at least three things. Number one, to identify or to ascertain the identity of the person being arrested. Number two, whether the legal processes have been observed. And number three, whether or not his rights were protected. This is very, very important for purposes of protecting the due process and the rule of law, which our colleague can avail, Mr. President.
The motion is consistent with our rules, is consistent with Senate Resolution number 44, is consistent with precedence. So is there any objection? If not, the motion is carried.
Mr. President,
So consistent with past practices, no? Senator Bato will enjoy the protection of the law and the protection of the Senate in accordance with our rules and with Philippine laws.
thank you. Mr. President, may I have the floor, Mr. President?
Yes, Majority Leader.
Mr. President, as I was looking and watching the CCTV, Mr. President, I recall, Mr. President, every time we have a committee hearing, any member of the Senate would move to cite in contempt someone who is lying, Mr. President. So my position, Mr. President, looking at what happened to our dear colleague, and I'm going to do this, Mr. President, whether you are in majority or minority, you are an elected official, Mr. President. And for someone, especially coming from a different agency of the government, trying to do something like that in violation of Article 147, Chapter 2 of our revised penal code, Mr. President. Maybe, Mr. President, it is the right time for us, while we are having a session, to cite in contempt these individuals trying to prevent Senator Bato de la Rosa from reporting for work to do his job as elected senator of the Republic of the Philippines. So, Mr. President, if it is a proper motion, and I would leave this to the body, that we cite in contempt these individuals, Mr. President, that would be identified in this particular video, trying to block, trying to prohibit Senator Bato de la Rosa from doing his job, Mr. President.
Yes.
I submit, Mr. President, to the wisdom of the...
Is there any objection to
majority.
holding the John and Jane Does, who will be laterly identified in accordance with the CCTV, to hold them in contempt of Senate? Of
Then,
the Senate?
Mr. President, I was suggesting, Mr. President, and if you are if the body is amenable to that, I will move, Mr. President, that we cite them in contempt. Because, Mr. President,
Well, because you made that manifestation, Majority Leader, let me say this, not as Senate President, but as a member of the Philippine Bar and as a humble servant of our people as a senator, each legislative body has to defend itself, especially versus existential threats. When we only have 24 senators and in certain votes you need 13, and we will allow that in our premises without the proper coordination nor without the proper due process, ay pwede mong habulin na lang at hagurin yung isang senator, what can be more existential than that? There might be some reservations, but medyo ang tono pa lang sa hearings ay parang may kabastusan. Hino-hold na natin in contempt eh. And for the record, when Senator Bato was chased by these agents, we were already in session. I was already standing in the podium at the side and already was making that motion. So even out of courtesy, regardless of their coordination, kung meron man o wala dito, hindi dapat hinabol si Senator. Dapat pumunta sila dito sa taas. Nakipag-usap sila. Gwardiyahin nila lahat ng pinto. Pero hindi dapat makipaghabulan sa kahit sinong senador dito sa loob. So it is really the pleasure of the body. But if we do not take a hard stance regarding that, do not regret or do not ask ourselves why, tomorrow baka may checkpoint na malapit sa bahay natin at huhulihin na tayo. Because my understanding of parliamentary immunity goes to the extent of even being secure in our traveling to the Senate. Eto na sa loob na ng Senado eh. So, Majority Leader, maybe you should consult the other senators or make the motion and then, so can we recognize first Senator Estrada?
Thank you, Mr. President. Just an additional violation of the elements of the National Bureau of Investigation who chased or who prevented Senator Bato from attending sessions. I invite the attention of our colleagues in Article 145 of the Revised Penal Code. If I can read it to you, violation of parliamentary immunity. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall use force, intimidation, threats, or fraud to prevent any member of the National Assembly from attending the meetings of the Assembly, which in this case, the Senate, or any of its committees or subcommittees, constitutional commissions or committees, or divisions thereof, from expressing his opinions and casting his vote. And the penalty of prisión correccional shall be imposed upon any public officer or employee who shall, while the Assembly is in regular or special session, arrest or search any member thereof, except in case such member has committed a crime punishable under this code by a penalty higher than prison mayor. That is all, Mr. President.
We take note of that, Senator Estrada, and it's 100% correct. But the reason why this the presiding officer has not mentioned administrative and criminal law is because we can ask the Committee on Rules and the Committee on Public Order to have an investigation. Meaning my immediate concern is the integrity and the safety of the Senate as an institution. It isn't even about Senator Bato. They could be arresting people from the other side of the aisle or other side of the politics here. I would have the same stand that you have to coordinate first, then we have to accept that they have legal authority. If not, you give the senator the opportunity to go to court or, as Senator Marcoleta said, all legal remedies. Wala namang problema po sa legal remedies. If we go to all the precedents, you will see na eventually yung iba nag-surrender din. Pero yung korte ang nag-utos, hindi yung mga law enforcers. So my point is, we will deal with the administrative and criminal liabilities, if any, according to the findings of our committees. But right now, before us is the question of what does the Senate in plenary as a body do to protect itself. And Senator Villanueva suggested holding them in contempt. May I remind everyone that when someone is held in contempt, they are allowed to purge themselves of that contempt by either giving justifiable reason or by apologizing. My information at this point in time, and anyone can correct me if I'm wrong, they are still here and they are still threatening to arrest him here. So, what is the pleasure, Majority Leader?
May I ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President?
Session is suspended.
Mga takot, kung basta akala mo hindi magnanakaw. Sino ba ito nag-request dyan? Arestuin siya ni Trillanes, mga tanga. Aray ko. Hindi nyo pwedeng ngarangan yan dahil pag tayo nawala sa Interpol, mas malaking epekto sa bansa, mga tanga. Bobo. Ganun kayo kabobo no? Pag nawala tayo sa Interpol, hindi tayo kinater ng Interpol. May magagawa kayo, Senado? Mga uliga kayo? Aray ko. May magagawa kayo? Wala kayong magagawa. Ang iingatan natin yung Interpol. Pinapa-aresto na yan, pipigilan nyo, tanga. Aray ko. Di ba naman putang ina nyo, mga bobo kayo? Tagaan na mo, hindi naman tutuparin. Anong klaseng katarantaduhan nyo yan? Anong klaseng katarantaduhan nyo eh? Siya nag-request nung batayin nyo pagbigyan. Panginan niya, tatakbo-takbo. Ba't tabatakbo yan? Panginan niya ngayon na nakakita ng ganyan senador ang puti ko. Runner? Ganyan mga Duterte, duwag na duwag ang puta. Aray ko. Panginan yung ganyan mamumuno sa bansa natin? Puro kaduwagan ang pinapakita? Aray ko. Kaya ba gusto nyo sa bansa natin, inaano tayo ng mga duwag na hindi umaharap mismo sa batas, sila gumagawa ng batas, tarantado. Kita mo, ganyan po kabobo. Ganyan ang mga bobo, mga Duterte Black. Ganyan kaya bobo ka Duterte Black. Kung umasta pa si Joel Islord, tsaka si Jinggoy, kala mo hindi magnanakaw? Aray ko. Inang yan. Ano maasahan natin dito? Ano po aasahan natin sa mga hayop na to? Di ba? Talagang ginagalit nyo, Ginagalit nyo ang taong bayan. Makikita natin yan. Ayan, makikita natin yan kung sino mananalo taong bayan, Impeach na, Impeach na po, Impeach na po, 255-26-9. Ayun, abulan sa Senado, nakakahiya ang putik na to, Nakakahiya, putik nakakahiya ang maging senador mga to. Grabe ngayon na tayo nagkaroon talaga ng senador na ganyan. Ang tagal na natin dito, putik ngayon tayo nagkaroon ng senador na ganyan. Tama ba kayo? Ganyan tinatrato yung batas? Aray ko. Kung sangina mo, Cayetano. Pusang ina ka, wala ka nang ginawang maganda noong pa man. Aray ko. Wala ka nang ginawang maganda, ayop ka. Noong pa man, wala ka nang ginawang maganda. Tingnan mo, wala kang ginawang maganda sa bansa. Tingnan mo ka, kahitado ka. Putik, ang daming pinatay niya, poproteksyonan niyo, yung daming pinatay. Oh, nandiyan na yung warrant of arrest, oh. Aray ko. Hindi kayo lalabas yan hanggang di nyo sinusuko si Bato. Oh, hindi, kaya si Trillanes, kita nyo, harap-harapan. Oh, harangan nyo ngayon, magkaalaman. Ito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, ha. Si Trillanes, pag inapin nyo yan dyan, malay nyo bukas, executive secretary na yan o DILG. Baka magulat kayo. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayoko sana sabihin to. Ha? Baka magbilang angel ako. Baka magkatotoo itong sinasabihin ko. May 11 ngayon. Bukas tapos na ang expiry ni Trillanes. Baka bukas manginig kayo lahat. Oh. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha. Baka magbilang angel ako dito uli. Aray ko. Pag si Trillanes, pagsabi ng alas 12 ng madaling araw, DILG na yan, o kaya executive secretary, ewan ko naman, magagawa kayo. Aray ko. Pakinggan natin si Trillanes.
Wait natin dito.
So, pwede pa ngayon. Pwede pang ayusin yan ngayon, sir. Yabol today. Sir,
Wag yan, ano na yan. Wag yan, ha. Dito tayo sa... Dito tayo sa TV5. Wag tayo dyan sa ano. Wag po tayo dyan sa... Nangangapiright yan eh. Nangangapiright. Delikado tayo dyan. Hanap tayo ng hindi nangangapiright. Nangangapiright yan na TV5. Ayan o. Nangangapiright yan. Doon tayo sa hindi nangangapiright.
Alvin Matibag, sa umano'y nangyaring kumusyon sa loob ng Senado, inaalam pa natin yung detalye mula sa NBI kung pag-aresto nga ba kay De La Rosa ang naging pakay ng NBI dito sa Senado. Yan muna ang latest, balik sa'yo, Jiggy.
Yan ang ulat ni Dave Abuel live mula sa Senado. Susunod, Banong kudeta laban kay PBBM, makakakalang RA.
Yan ha. Ayan po. Tignan natin dito sa News 5 kung ano po ba ang nangyayari. Huwag tayo sa may copyright. Ito.
As of now, Mr. President, Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library, Mr. President.
Ano yan, sumbong bata? Putang ina ka ba to? Sumbong bata ang puta, oh. Ayan. Ano yan, sumbong bata? Mr. President, nandiyan ba si Trillanes? Ina mo. Ano? Tangina mo, bata ka ba? Sumbong ka na sumbong, tangina ka? Aray ko. Ina to.
I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people from the vicinity of the Senate. Sergeant at Arms.
Mr. President, dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate, is welcome in the Senate and will of course be given due courtesy unless he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he is
President.
part of the harassment. So
Kasama niya.
you gave me the
Ay, iyak ang putang ina. Iyak, putang ina mo. Aray ko. Iyak, putang ina ka. Nung papatay ka ng mga tao, hindi ka naiiyak. O, ngayon, naarestuin ka, tangina mo. O, ano? Gago.
Siyempre ko sa NBI na harangin ako dito.
so with,
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito siya?
yes, with that clarification, is there any objection that we ask the
Objection mo, mukha mo, 10,000. Gago. Aray ko.
except we will ask the NBI to leave except for the person or people who assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault sa iyo hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest, no? Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito, may motion ang Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Yes, Mr. President, that
Senator
is,
Santi first.
I have no objection to the motion of Senator De La Rosa. As a matter of fact, I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the previous motion.
Yes.
There is a
Yes.
pending motion eh. Kaya
Yes.
hindi pwede patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion. No?
Thank you for that
let's,
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator
Is-
Jingo Estrada unless he wants to withdraw the motion.
Sana, bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga nagharang sa akin at i-inquest natin. Papailan natin ang kaso. Bago sila paalisin dito lahat.
Tarantado ka pala eh. Ikaw ang may kaso, papail mo lang sila ng kaso, gago. Naulo to. Ikaw ang may kaso. I-arrestuin ka at papailan mo ng kaso. Tarantado ang puto. Aray ko. Aray ko. Nakakita. Kaya nga sila dyan, kasi nga may kaso ka, animal. Oh. Oh, ngayon papailan mo ng kaso.
Dahil paano tayong king queen dito?
Yes.
Inassault na tayo dito sa
Parang kengoy talaga, akalain mo sila doon tumatakbo sa para-exit, gagong puto. Kengoy talaga ang Senado, ano ba tawag mo dyan? Ano tawag mo dyan? Pero ba sila doon tumatakbo sa para-exit, tarantado ka pala eh. Aray ko. Aray ko.
ating opisina. Tapos walang mangyayari. Paalisin lang natin. Kuya,
Ano lang yan, kapal na mukha nito, pagtapos, alam mo yung katrabaho mo, tagal umabsent, tas demanding pa ang puta. Pinanginan to. Ang tagal mo umabsent, tas ikaw demanding, abay galing mo ah. Aray ko.
tamis din.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's my point a while ago. Papaalisin yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa iyo. And that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I am sure
session.
Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
Oo, takot na takot, puti na. Naiiyay na ang puta kay Trillanes ang puta. Naiiyay na kay Trillanes ang putik. Ni-request mo, make my day. Aray ko. Oh. Ikaw, ayaw nga ni Trillanes pumunta dahil nagtuturo yan eh. Eh, ni-request mo siya. Pusasan siya, pusasan ka, o nandyan siya. Oh.
Make his day, di ba? Sabi niya, make my day. Samahan ko daw siya ng pag-ano. Andito ako ngayon.
Oh, nandyan siya, oh. Sabi mo daw, make my day, o nandyan siya, present. Tarantado ka pala eh. Aray ko.
Ano pong purpose? Bakit daw po kayo nandito? May warrant. Pinakita ko yung warrant. Yung ICC, sir? Yung ICC. Wala ka ngayon. Sir, di ba ako serve na po ngayon, sir?
Sorry sir, kasama po kayo sa team na magsiserve ng ICC warrant.
Ano po, personal request ni Bato na samahan ko daw yung pag-aarestuin siya. Nandito ngayon na arestuin siya.
Sino po yung
That's why
kasama?
I'm here. Diba? Nandito yung NBI, arestuin siya.
NBI by virtue of the ICC warrant, sir.
Pinakita ko yung warrant.
Sir, pwede pang ito yung warrant, sir.
Ito yung warrant. Ito yung warrant. Okay? ICC warrant.
Matagal na natin pinakita yan, dito pa. November 6 yan.
Sir,
Kaya dadalhin na din siya sa
kita pa. Kaso, tatapos siya dito. Diba? Inamin niya ako, diba? Inamin niya ako. Dito ako, I showed up. Inamin niya ako, nasamahan ko yung mag-arrest sa kanya. Nandito ako.
Paano is puta? Panis, yan namang may bayag. Ang ina. Yan ang may bayag. Eh si Bato, mukhang bayag. Aray ko. Oh. Ikaw nagsabi, pusang ina mo, pusasan mo ako, make my day. O ngayon, tatago-tago ka, pusang ina ka. Aray ko.
Hindi naman ako yung nagpapakain ng libo-libo ng Pilipinas eh.
Bakit kayo nandito kasama niyo ng NBI? Sige, bakit kayo nandito?
Hindi po ako dahil sinabi niya on national TV na samahan ko daw yung mag-aresto sa kanya.
Oh.
So, nilito ko ngayon.
Oh.
Pinakita ko sa inyo yung warrant ng ICC.
Oh.
Dito yung NBI. Arestuin siya. Kaso, siya naman yung ayaw lumabas.
So yung kayo, confirm yung hawak ng NBI ang warrant ng arrest ng ICC para kay Senator De La Rosa. At, so pero, yun nga sir, ulit ko niya, bakit kayo kasama nung role ninyo nagagalit dahil bakit kayo kasama yung
Kaya
NBI?
pumunta rito dahil personal request ni Bato na
Oh, ang ina mo, request mo, ayaw mo ngayon. Tarantado ka pala. Aray ko. Yan pa lang paniniwala mo ba yung senador sa salita niya, hindi niya tinutupad? Nag-request kayo, tarantado ka eh. Aray ko. Oh, ayun, ayaw mo naman ito pa rin, tarantado ka talaga eh. Aray ko.
ano po yung naka-aresto sa kanya. Kaya nandito ako.
So, kasama kayo sa convention kanina sa basement yung naresal daw ng mga tauhan ng NBI sa Senator De La Rosa para pigilan umakyat nito.
Eh kung nandito din ako, di inayakos na yan.
Sir, kasi kung pinapakita yung warrant kanina, sir.
Sir, pwede pa sir,
Ipapakit na yan ng ICC.
Sir, regarding sa kaso,
ito yung warrant of arrest na hindi, ito yung hindi public warrant of arrest kasi sir, ito lang na may warrant of
Oh,
arrest.
patay ka, di ka titigilan ni si Trillanes, putik ka. Magbabadang kayo dyan, 5 buwan. O, dito ulit tayo.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, there was an earlier inquiry by this representation which led to the body's unanimous consent to move that we cite in contempt those individuals running after.
Ikaw nga, hindi ka lang cited content, magdanakaw ka eh. Inang-inan to. Dapat sa'yo, hindi ka lang kinokontempt. Ayok ka, Joel Islog, may paganyan-ganyan ka pa, kupal ka rin eh. Aray ko.
Senator Bato de la Rosa trying to block him from doing his job. And until such a time that they can satisfactorily explain to us what happened, Mr. President, the body, with the permission of everyone here, that we move, that we cite these individuals in contempt. So move, Mr.
Is
President.
there any objection? If not, the John Does and Jane Does as identified individual are held in contempt. I am directing the OSAA to put in custody, Senate custody, to the said individuals and to detain them in the Senate premises. If they need assistance, you're authorized to coordinate with the Pasay City PNP until such time that
Ang tanga mo talaga eh. Senate President na tanga eh. Ang tanga mo. Pakasay City PMP, hindi ba susundod yan sa DILG? Ang bobo mo! Aray ko! Inang-inan to, bobo talaga eh. Sino ba susundan ng PMP? Eh di DILG, tanga! Aray ko! Ang bobo mo! Ang bobo mo kay Tano! Nagpasindak-sindak ka pa! Anak ng waiting ka! Ay, ipag-coordinate sa Pasay City PMP. Eh, sino ba sino ba ang boss ng Pasay City PMP? DILG, di ba? Aray ko. Oh. Pag inorderan ng Pasay City PMP ni DILG na may sampi na yan, anong gagawin mo? Bobo! Ito ba Senate President nyo? Maiiwas lang ang katarantaduhan nila. Hindi nag-iisip sa kabubuan. Aray ko. Bobo, di ba? Oh, yan, ganyan ka bobo si Cayetano. Papatulong pa daw sa PMP, Pasay. Eh kung ayaw ni John Dick, tanga! Aray ko. Gano'n ka ba ka bobo, Cayetano? Ha? Kanino ba under ang Pasay City, PMP? O kanino under ang PMP? Ha? Oh, sa DILG, di ba? Oh, ano masabi ng DILG? May sampi na yan. Aray ko. Bobo.
Those held in contempt can purge themselves of contempt, meaning to satisfy us with their explanation. Senator Marcoleta, are you satisfied with it?
Bobo na itong mga senador na to.
Yes, Mr. President, I'm satisfied. Incidentally,
Yeah,
I
pagtakpan
think
nyo.
the incident this afternoon can also be used to appeal to the Supreme Court
Oh, putik.
that
Pila mo sa Supreme Court ang putik. Putik ka sa Supreme Court, eh nakalagay sa Constitution ng 9851. Mga inuutil ang putik. Mga inuutil ang putik, oh.
now high time for them to dispose or act on the petition, on the inquiry, whether or not the former president was, or the abduction of the former president violated Philippine laws. And if they can act precisely on the basis of what happened today, we will be guided in future incidents that may happen. Sana wala naman. Pero sana, if they can decide as soon as possible, Mr. President, considering what happened today, they should include in that disposition a guideline sa mga ganitong pagkakataon.
Your comments are in order and noted.
And Mr. President, to add, because we have an existing law, I'm citing Republic Act 9851,
Oh,
which is about transnational crimes, international crimes, crimes against humanity. Ang sinasabi po ron, Mr. President, is very clear, specifically under Articles 17 and 18. Na kung saan sinasabi sa ganitong mga kaso, ang talagang merong jurisdiction, primary jurisdiction, ay yung ating local courts, Mr. President. Paano ngayong mangyayari na mas kakatigan pa ng mga taong gustong humuli kay Senator Bato yung sinasabi na warrant of arrest? Alin ba yung pakikinggan nila? Alin ba yung una nilang tutuparin?
ituto pa rin namin yung justisya ng mas marami, tanga. Ituto pa rin namin yung magbibigay justisya sa 30,000. Bobo ka ba? Ano ka namang tuto pa rin namin, pagproteksyon na namin si Bato, ano mo papala namin dyan? Tanga! Ano mo papala namin dyan? Siyempre tuto pa rin namin yung magbibigay justisya sa 30,000. Ganun dapat yung mindset. Bobo!
Yung inaatas ng isang korte
Oh,
na ang kanyang jurisdiction is not questionable considering that we have already withdrawn from the Rome Statute.
ang tanga-tanga, pilit mo, piluka. Ipilit mo. Lagyan mo ng gel yung piluka mo, hayop ka. Ipilit mo. Ipilit mo yung piluka mo, hayop ka.
Bakit po yun ang kanilang gagamitin?
Eh, gagamitin namin, siyempre, justisya sa 30,000. Tanga. May tayong bobo dito. Alam ka naman kampihan namin yung pumatay sa 30,000. Doon na kami sa ng patay na 30,000. Mag-iisip tayo minsan, hindi yung tatanga-tanga tayo senador, nakapinuka na nga tayo.
Aray ko.
Halimbawa po sa Article 17, Mr. President, sinasabi po doon na yung surrender o yung extradition ay pwedeng gawin in accordance with existing extradition laws or treaties. Alam naman natin, hindi naman po bansa ang ICC, Mr. President.
To further your discussion, Senator Marcoleta, under the ICC rules, if a nation exits ICC, they're given 1 year to authorize an investigation. And this was brought up by the former president's defense team that the investigation happened 1 year after na 1 year, yung investigation which led to the charges. But yet in the appeals court ng ICC, they upheld the charges. So what is the net effect nito for the public to know and for members of our PNP and AFP to know? That means that under the Duterte ruling, whether it's the Marawi siege, whether it is the battle, the 30, 40, 50-year fight with the Communist Party, CPP, NPA, the ICC now can suddenly come out with warrants for any cabinet member or any elected official or any general or colonel or sergeant of our military and police under the doctrine that they did under Duterte. So if you do not have to pass Philippine courts, then we will have dozen, 2 dozen, 4 dozens, 100 former Senator Trillanes going to different places. And
Ang bobo mo talaga, Cayetano! Ang bobo-bobo mo! Kailan lang ba lumalabas yung ICC pag may crime against humanity? Mauulit pa ba yun? Ginawa ba ni Bongbong Marcos? Tapanga-tanga kayo, no? Nauulit lang yun pag may demonyong presidenteng uling Duterte. Mauulit lang yun pag may bato de la Rosang demonyo. Ngayon ba mauulit? Hindi na mauulit yun. Once in a lifetime lang yun. Kasi once in a lifetime, nagkaroon tayong demonyong presidente.
Aray ko.
Huwag kang pabobo-bobo. Ha? Huwag kang pabobo-bobo, Cayetano. Ha? Huwag kang pabobo-bobo. Ha? Hindi porkit na Senate President ka na feeling mo matalino ka, may 10,000 kami sa'yo.
and just picking up anyone and saying that they have to be brought to The Hague. So that would be ridiculous. So that is precisely why we passed Senate Resolution 44, that each Filipino, regardless of political color, regardless of background, will have to have their day in court. Having said that, we will, in fact, deal with that during the hearings of the Committee on Rules and the Committee on Public Order. What is important right now is that we assure the Philippine Republic that the Senate is functioning and there is no threat from stopping us by any legal machination or manipulation. Having said that, Senator
Walang kwenta. Dito. Kakulango.